Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Fitwell Hub. I'm Reza, and today we're tackling a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle: portion control. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to eat just enough without feeling deprived, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty and informative content. Let's get started with Portion Control 101. Section 1: The Importance of Portion Control. First things first, why is portion control so important? Well, it goes beyond just counting calories. It's about maintaining a balance that supports your overall health and wellness goals. From weight management to preventing overeating, the benefits are numerous. Stick around as we explore the art of portion control and how it can transform the way you eat. Section 2: Understanding Serving Sizes. One of the keys to effective portion control is understanding serving sizes. It's easy to underestimate or overestimate what a healthy portion looks like. We'll break down the recommended serving sizes for different food groups, making it easier for you to visualize and implement in your daily meals. Section 3: Practical Tips for Portion Control. Now, let's get practical. I'll be sharing some simple yet effective tips to help you control your portions effortlessly. From using smaller plates to paying attention to hunger cues, these strategies can make a significant difference in your eating habits. Stick around for these actionable tips that you can start applying today. Section 4: Mindful Eating Techniques. Mindful eating is a game changer when it comes to portion control. We'll explore techniques like savoring each bite, eating without distractions, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals. These practices not only enhance your eating experience but also contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. And there you have it, Portion Control 101. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to eating just enough for a healthier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these insights. Drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts and any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for joining us today on Fitwell Hub. Until next time, remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating just enough. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.